Hello everyone, and welcome to another week of Washi Wednesday. I'm starting to feel the summer vibe, and so I think I want to pull a washi from my Coffee Monster company collection. She makes beautiful washi with a lot of detail in it, and so I think I'm kind of feeling that vibe this week. Specifically, I've been feeling like fruits, and so this is the only fruit veggie sort of washi I have. So I might go with this one, or I might go with this one, which is still kind of summery, but maybe not because the Snow Peak mountains. But I really like this one. You see, it has like mango and watermelon and avocado and bananas and her famous little tater. So, and look at that rose gold foiling. I think I'm probably gonna go with this one. So let's pick our stickers, our washi. We already picked our washi. Let's pick our stickers and our markers, and then we'll be ready to get started. So because of the colors in here, I think maybe one of these greens and maybe a yellow. I don't know, this might be too dark. Let's see. I think these, let's try to go with and let's grab some orange, because there is like mango and oranges in here, and we may decide to go with the orange. So we're gonna go with these three colors. So we got our colors, and then I also think I have some stickers from the Coffee Monster company with the fruit. Okay, so I have a few here, so I can use these. And then I have these two books, these two Happy Planner books, one of which I picked up at Ollie's for $1.99. If you have one in your area, highly suggest going to check them out. But let's see what we got. This is more like colorful boxes and some quotes and stuff. So I'll probably use a quote and maybe some of these. These might be cool. And then I think there's probably some cool summer stuff here with like the leaves and stuff. I think this one will also be a good book for what we're trying to do there. Okay, so we have our stickers, we have our washi, we have our markers. Let's get into it. you for watching.